Welcome to my channel Global Car, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of cars. If you're passionate about speed, style, and innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more thrilling automotive content. The legendary Toyota GT2000 makes a stunning return in 2025, combining its iconic heritage with modern engineering brilliance. Inspired by the original 1967 2000 GT, this new model blends classic proportions with futuristic design cues, creating a sports car that feels both nostalgic and cutting-edge. Up front, the sharp LED headlights and sculpted grille emphasize Toyota's modern performance language, while the sleek body lines enhance aerodynamics. The long hood and low stance pay tribute to the original GT2000, making it instantly recognizable for enthusiasts. Under the hood, the 2025 GT2000 packs a powerful hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering breathtaking performance while maintaining Toyota's commitment to efficiency. With over 500 horsepower, lightning-quick acceleration, and advanced driving dynamics, this car is built for both track excitement and everyday thrills. Inside, the cabin perfectly balances luxury and sportiness. Premium leather, digital displays, and driver-focused controls create an environment that's modern yet inspired by the analog feel of classic sports cars. Toyota has also integrated advanced safety and connectivity features, ensuring drivers stay in control while enjoying every ride. The 2025 GT2000 isn't just a revival, it's a statement. A car that honors Toyota's past while pushing boundaries for the future of sports cars. For collectors and performance lovers, this is a machine destined to become an icon once again. That wraps up today's look at the 2025 Toyota GT2000. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the hottest cars of 2025 and beyond.